OJT, practicums, this is it. The last phase of your education. I know and I am pretty sure that you learn what you need to learn. No? In the Glory Hotel, despite of the limitations within the four corners of the classroom, I am pretty sure that with the guidance of these people at the Glory Hotel, despite the limitations you learn from the feedback of Ma'am, I am very proud. Hindi, totoo naman to. I've always been telling you na what's more important is not education, it's not only skills. What's most important is your behavior and your attitude. I hope you carry this on pagka-graduate nyo and pag nasa trabaho na kayo. I always wish you the best. And I thank the Glory Hotel for giving us the opportunity and giving our students the chance to learn more from you. From them, it has been a very meaningful experience. And we are beyond grateful for this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Milanes. And now,